Hey everyone! Want to know exactly how much storage your iPhone has? Let's quickly check it together. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on General. On the next screen, tap About. Right here, you'll see details about your device, including capacity. This shows the total storage your iPhone came with, like 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, or even 256 gigabytes. But if you want to check how much space is actually left, go back to General and tap iPhone Storage. This page shows a breakdown of your used storage, how much space is available, and what apps or files are taking up the most room. You can also check recommendations to free up space if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to find both your total iPhone storage and how much free space you have. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick iPhone tips.